Hello there, everyone. Thank you for being here and joining me on my real estate video blog. My name is Kodi Riddle, real estate broker and team leader for the Riddle Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today, we are just going to answer a bunch of questions on this market that we are in right now. Why is it happening? What exactly is happening? And get some of those questions that I've been asked over, these past couple of months. I get to get those answered. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. And here we go. By the way, if you are looking to search for real estate, you can hit this button. And if you are looking for a value of your home, you think you might want to sell, you can hit this button. So hopefully those can help you, but onward with the video, and definitely not here to bore you, just to talk about this great market and some stats that are happening. So people are asking me regularly, what's happening? California is moving into Arizona. What's going on? And I can now tell you a percentage. They represent 23% of all inbound residents over the decade. So over the past decade, California residents have equated to 23% of the inbound residents to Arizona. That's a number that you can put on there now that everybody's going, how many are coming? What's going on? So I love to share some stats like that. So pretty cool. We are one of the top 3 for inbound people moving here. We rank on the top. The 2020 consensus isn't actually completed yet, but we right now rank number 3. And I believe it's Florida and Texas are just above us. So good information, interesting information there. Next thing I want to talk about, you guys, is what's happening in this market is, yes, it's a seller's market. We got that. And is that a bad thing, especially for buyers, right? Well, I'm going to tell you over history, we're going to go back to 2002. It was a very balanced market, or you could say it leaned a little bit towards the seller, but really balanced. Out of that, the market just continued to go up. And then again, in 2010, we had a balance of a market, and out of that, the market continued to go up. Then again in 2014, we had a balanced market, and again, the market went up. And when I say went up, that's the price response, right? So prices have increased after a balanced market. So buyers and sellers, really, I mean, we like to work in a balanced space or in a seller's market, because in a seller's market, what's happening to your price points is you buy a home 2 months ago and it's already worth more now. So it is not a bad thing to get out there and look for properties in this kind of a market as a buyer. And of course, we know interest rates coincide with that. I've been saying that in every video, right? That's the story. Low interest rates, low interest rates, low interest rates. First week of January, we hit a new record low where the 30-year fixed was at 2.65% for a 30-year fixed mortgage rate. And that's a new, again, record low. So my goodness, there is nothing negative about getting out there and buying a home. Now, there are some renters or folks that are saying, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and sell at the top of the market, then I'm going to wait and I'm going to rent until this market comes down. I want you to hear me loud and clear. It is not happening anytime soon. And the reason we can say that is purely based on inventory levels. There just aren't any homes available to purchase. And because that number is so itty bitty, that it's going to take a while for those inventory levels to go up, right? And then you have some investors saying, you know what, I'm going to wait and I'm going to buy some of those foreclosed properties from folks that have been hit hard by coronavirus. Again, you're going to be waiting a long, long time. The foreclosures right now are at an all-time low. it isn't even happening. We can get a home on the market and it's going to sell with multiple offers at a very high number. So investors and folks waiting and deciding to rent before you purchase, be mindful of that, because I don't see this happening through this entire year 2021. So that's some info, and call us if you want to have a more elaborate conversation around that for sure. Future development. So we're talking new builds, right? Coming in the market. They are up 24% right now for a new build. That's huge, and they need to keep going, right? That's helping us have the inventory levels that we need to accommodate the buyers that we have. And make no mistake, have a realtor when you go into a new build. There is so much we can help you with in protecting your interests. That person behind the desk is not representing you. They are friendly and beautiful people, but they are not representing you. They are representing the builder. So make sure you have your realtor when you walk into a builder, any builder, for the first time. Okay, big. And I think that is about it. Kind of giving you a market in the minute. I'm going to look at an overview for you here just to confirm we got everything down, and I want to hit this real quick. Sales volume in 2020 was up 4%. So although our listings were low, our volume that sold was up 4%. So you know that there's a lot of buyers out there making things happen. Appreciation rate overall 21% for resales compared to January in 2020. That is an appreciation rate. Did you guys hear that? Of 21. It's actually 21.6 for resales compared to January 2020. That is incredible. So if you are a buyer, let's get out there and find a home and watch that appreciation come right back at you. So that's it for now. I want you all to know that these stats and this information comes from the fabulous people at the Cromford Report. This is what realtors have access to. They are statisticians and they are amazing. So this stuff, I want you to know that it is backed by that research. And that's it for today. Thank you. Call me if you need us. We are here to be of service to you. Talk to you later.